Gotta love it. Why buying real estate in 2023 could be a smart investment. Now look, I'm fully aware the last couple of years interest rates were extremely low, and they have actually went up more in 2022 at a faster speed than in the history ever. Now, the reality of that too is back when COVID-19 did hit, they also went down as fast as we've ever seen too. So the reality of interest rates right now is they are more now to a normal 6%, which is kind of a standard interest rate where a lot of investors really think this is going to be the new norm in 2023, and they will come down again at some point when inflation comes back down. But interest rates should be one reason for why you buy or not buy, not the only reason why you do that. So at the end of the day, there's a reason why a lot of investors are buying properties in single family homes and multiple units is because they know the housing market isn't going to crash. Now, I always tell everybody when you're buying a house, whether it's a primary residency or it's an investment property, two things must happen. Number one, you've got to make sure it makes financial sense for you, not for anybody else, but you. And number two, timing must be right. Now, if you want to know what's going on in your local market, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to go over that market with you and give you the pros and cons. And if now is a good time for you to buy or sell. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.